Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to go over the Woocommerce top rated products block, and we're going to show you how to make it look amazing for your customers. So let's dive right in. The amazing thing about Gutenberg is that you can put any of these blocks on a page or post. So you gotta pick whether or not you want to put it on a page or a post. You can either create a new page or use an existing page. I started making a page called top rated products, and that's where I'm going to put it. As you can see, all we have is a little navigation and a cover block with a H1, and this is where we're going to put the top rated products block. If this is the first time you're using Gutenberg, to add a block all you need to do is hit this plus here, and if you don't see what you're looking for down here, you can search for it. Whoops. And you can see it's right there. Another way you can do it is if you go up here in the top left, hit the plus, all the blocks you have installed are right here on your left. Scroll down to Woocommerce, and there's all the Woocommerce blocks. So we're looking for top rated. There we go. And there, you have it added. Let's close that and give us some more room. In Gutenberg, all your controls are over here to your right. You got style, layout, content, filter by product category, filter by stock status, and advanced. We are going to start out with layout and we'll come back to styles. Layout just controls how many columns, which is the horizontal amount of columns that you want to show. You can show up to 6. And then rows is the vertical amount of rows you want to show. And again, you can put all the way 6, so you can show a whole bunch on a page. Obviously, I don't think that looks really good. And we're going to move it down to 3. And in the beginning of the video, I just had 1 row. I just wanted to show 3 of my top rated products. Just below this rows slider is align the last block to the bottom, which basically make the last block go onto the bottom. So all the buttons will be in a line. I don't think it's necessary, so I'll just take it off. The next section is the content section. This is where you have the ability to toggle on whether or not you want to see the picture or don't want to see a picture, remove the title or keep it, or even remove the add to cart button. As you can see, you have all the controls to make this look however you like it and to show the necessary information that you'd like to show. Just under the content section is the filter by category. Now this will allow you to show which category you'd like to show the top rated products for. So as you can see, you can do the clothing, remove it, and now I'll show the top rated products for the clothing. You can even search what you're looking for, so phone. As you see, this will show the phone cases. Let's just remove all these. Bring back in the phone cases, get rid of the t-shirts. Pretty straightforward and simple and easy for you to really make a page dedicated to what top selling products for the category. Continuing on down to the filter by stock status. As you see, it's more toggles to disable or enable. If you have in stock, you can change whether or not it's visible or not. Out of stock, same thing. And if it's on back order. So if you don't want to show any back ordered stuff or out of stock products, you just simply toggle them on and off. Now if you scroll back to the top of the controls, you'll see the style section. Now this can vary between themes and plugins. As you can see, my theme has 2 styles that you can choose from. And we'll select the one at the start of the video. And now you can hit update. And now we can go view it in the front end. As you can see, it's pretty easy, straightforward for you to choose what you'd like to show and make a beautiful store. And there you have it, the top rated products block. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.